Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to be making a ginger lemon syrup, and these are the ingredients that you will need. It's best if you can get raw honey, and if you someone in your area that is a beekeeper, that's the best way to go. If not, just make sure that you get raw 100% honey. And you're going to need a vessel that's sterilized as well. And this syrup is mainly going to be for sore throats or for cough, or you can even add it to your tea, or you can just take it, in a teaspoon and drink it. I'm going to be prepping everything, and I'll show you exactly what I do. I wanted to show you how I clean my limes or lemons. It would be best if you can get a hold of organic lemons or lime, but if you can, this is a good way to wash these. So what I have here, I started off, this is brand new, first of all. Don't use anything that you've already used, brand new, and I just put it in there. But what I did was, I made a solution of hot water, vinegar, and salt. I submerged my lemons in here, and they've been hanging in this water for probably about longer than 2 hours, because I had a doctor's appointment and I left. I covered them because this thing has a plastic cover. I covered them, and then just now I'm going to get ready to scrub them. That's why I say you want one of these that's new. Do not get anything used, because cross contaminations and whatnot, you don't want to introduce any kind of germs after you've had it in here. So I'm going to do is scrub them really well, and then I'm going to rinse them in fresh water, and then I'm going to slice them. I will cut any bad parts. Let's see, I'm going to cut the tips off, obviously, but any parts that look questionable, like for instance here, I will cut that off. Okay, you just want nice. So after I washed my lemons yesterday, I left them on the counter on top of a clean kitchen towel to dry, and I wanted to show you this. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is part of what they spray these fruits and vegetables, some of them, to keep them from going bad at the store. So that's what you see. It's almost like a waxy film. So I'm gonna have to scrub these again so I can get that off, but I just wanted to show you. So that's why it's important that you try and get organic if you can find a good price. I didn't have any, so I'm using these. That's why I am making sure I clean all of this stuff very well. And the other thing that I wanted to show you, I got a hold of a really, really good piece of ginger, because the one that I got yesterday was really not, it didn't even smell like ginger, and it looked like it was bad. And let me show you. This is the one that I got yesterday, and it was just not good. I ended up not using this, and I ended up going out today and getting more. So, and this is one that I got today. I just cut it in half. It was very easy to peel with this, like you would potatoes. I'm really happy. Let me scrub these with some salt and baking soda. People. So what we're doing next is, I have already, sliced my ginger and the lemon, I'm sorry. Make sure that you take out the seeds. All of the seeds must come off. And then you're going to start doing is arranging however you want it to look. So you see that there. You might need more, or you might need less. So I always end up, prepping more lemons than what I need sometimes, because this is a big jar, and depending on the size of your lemon will depend how much you need or how much you want to make. So as you can see, I put some lemon, and all I'm going to do is layer it. Some lemon and some pieces of the ginger. And I'm just going to layer. As you see me do here. Layer. And layer. And then I'm gonna add in between, I'm gonna be adding some of the honey, like so. Because I want to make sure that it gets every bit. So, I need my other hand. That's fine. Because I have this clean thing here that I can just, put it back in there. But I just wanted you to get the picture and make sure that everything, see that everything gets coated in there. So you might have to move it around a little bit, but I'll bring you back when I finish filling it all up so that you can see the finished product. All right, guys, so I am back. At this point, it is done. All I'm gonna do is allow it to sit. I went ahead and used my spatula to push it down to make sure that I get the air bubbles out. And I will kind of go like this too. I put it on top of a towel or something, and so that it could go down and maybe release bubbles if there's any bubbles trapped. And you're just gonna let it sit like this for a little bit so all the honey can drip down. If you need to add a little bit more to top it, you go ahead and do that. And then what I like to do is I add a glass weight to it just to keep everything submerged. At this point, if you wanted to add a cinnamon stick, you could, or cloves, or even a couple of a teaspoon of elderberry would also be ideal. It's up to you. Let your imagination run wild. I'm gonna let this thing ferment for a couple of weeks, and then it's ready to use. Maybe 4 weeks or 6 weeks, and it's ready to use. So I just wanted to show you what I do. And like I said, this is going to be for throat, sore throat, for cough, for tea, even for digestion. It'll help with that because of the ginger. So just make it your own, play with it, and do. If you don't like if you are one of these people that gets heartburn because of the ginger, then don't add as much. And that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Have a blessed day. Thank you.